Hey guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this sword trail in UE5 Niagara, and in this it's just not sword trail, it's aligned with sword perfectly, and whenever you rotating your sword it will just go with that. So you will see how to fix these rotation with your mesh sword or anything like this. So let's start this tutorial. So this tutorial is requested actually on my YouTube. I got this comment, and this Jogolo is my very supported subscriber, and he said, "I love your work. Can you make a sword trail in Niagara and orientate it to sword mesh?" I saw a guy using a sketch model to transfer local rotation to the world rotation, but it bit complex. So he has already seen tutorials on that, and there are available resources on internet that's showing this. But he wanted me to explain it again. So let's do this for my subscriber. So I have this Unreal 5 project, and which I have sword, and this sword I downloaded from, let me, here from CAD. So I downloaded it from CAD, so I will not provide it on my Patreon. I will just provide FX, and maybe I will replace this with Slender. I will not provide this. You can directly download it from here. Okay. I'm using it in my tutorial but not providing in my package. So let's say you have a first try on the Slender. So you have a Slender here, and I'll just change the height to 2 and